Wait and see.
GLM 5.2 just got benchmarked against Gemma 412B Agentic and VibeThinker 3B across 3 real workloads, and the winner isn't who you'd expect. We ran text summarization, code generation, and multi-step reasoning tasks on each model. Local, no API calls, no cloud dependency, just raw inference on consumer hardware. The question isn't which model scores highest on one metric. It's which one you should actually chain into your offline automation pipeline without melting your VRAM. Let's start with the raw numbers. GLM 5.2 handles text summarization at 38 tokens per second on a single 4090 at 4-bit quantization. Gemma 412B Agentic hits 22 tokens per second under the same conditions. VibeThinker 3B, its smaller parameter count, manages 31 tokens per second. On code generation, the gap widens. GLM 5.2 produces Python functions with a 92% first-pass execution rate on human eval-style prompts. Gemma 412B Agentic lands at 84%. VibeThinker 3B sits at 79% respectable, but you're debugging more output before anything runs. Multi-step reasoning is where things get interesting. We gave each model a task that required reading a 40-page document, extracting key decisions, and generating a structured action plan. GLM 5.2 completed it in 4 minutes, 12 seconds. Gemma 412B Agentic took 6 minutes, 38 seconds. VibeThinker 3B ran out of context window halfway through and had to be restarted with chunked input. Memory footprint tells the other half of the story. GLM 5.2 at 4-bit consumes 14.2 gigabytes of VRAM. Gemma 412B Agentic needs 18.6 gigabytes. VibeThinker 3B is leanest at 9.8 gigabytes. But that smaller window is exactly why it choked on the reasoning task. Here's where most agent comparison videos stop. They show you a leaderboard and call it a day. But the real move isn't picking one model and praying. It's chaining them. A developer building an offline document pipeline wires VibeThinker 3B as the first pass. It's fast, it's lean, and it handles extraction and classification tasks without touching the VRAM budget. Then GLM 5.2 takes over for summarization and structured output. Gemma 412B Agentic handles the multi-step reasoning layer where its larger context window earns its memory cost. The handoff between models runs through a lightweight orchestration script. VibeThinker 3B outputs JSON. GLM 5.2 reads that JSON and generates summaries. Gemma 412B Agentic receives both the raw document and the summaries to produce the final action plan. No cloud, no API keys, no data leaving the machine. Total pipeline latency for the full 3-model chain. 7 minutes 48 seconds on a single machine with 2 4090s. The same workflow on a single model, even the best one, either runs out of context or takes twice as long. The takeaway is straightforward. If you're running a 24 gigabyte card and need one model that does everything adequately, GLM 5.2 is your pick. If you're tight on VRAM and only handling short context tasks, VibeThinker 3B punches above its weight. If you need deep reasoning and can afford the memory, Gemma 412B Agentic earns its place in a chain. But the real answer for anyone building serious offline automation: stop treating this like a single horse race. Chain them. Route tasks by complexity. Let each model do what it's actually good at. Full benchmark data, the orchestration script, and step-by-step setup instructions are in the description. Go build something that doesn't phone home.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.